Hello, welcome to Master Song online tutorials. My name is Zach Song from mastersongkungfu.com. Kung Fu martial arts is quite simple if you know the correct way to do it, and it takes less time to master it. It's like the sword. Without the correct way, you probably hurt yourself, like hurt your head and hurt your leg. But if you know the techniques, it will be totally different. It's like this. Just a little bit demonstration. It's like you with the sword become one, are not separate. The sword is like the extension of the body. If the sword and I were separate, we were against each other. Of course, I would get hurt. So this is just an example to apply to all weapon training, like namcha, bow staff, spear, and so on. Or animal imitation forms, such as a tiger form. When you imitate a tiger, be like a tiger. It's not like kitty cat, right? When you imitate a snake, be like a snake. It's like to be with the form as one. Please don't worry if you cannot understand it yet. You will understand it once you start training. So with our online training tutorials, I'm going to share all of my training and teaching experiences to those of you who's passionate about Kung Fu. So here Kung Fu includes traditional Shaolin Kung Fu with behind forms and weapons, modern Wushu, Sanda kickboxing, Tai Chi and Qigong. It doesn't matter how old you are, as long as you enjoy and passionate about Kung Fu, and I can help you gradually build up a solid, strong foundation. From here, and gradually build up. So here's an encouragement. When you are learning and practicing Kung Fu, please try to enjoy it and have fun. Even though that you cannot do it at first, but with this kind of positive attitude and with more practice, eventually you will get it. Actually, Kung Fu, this word, if translated directly from Chinese, means everything that takes time and pays effort, you are going to succeed. So when you practice something, don't just try to jump to the destination. Please be patient, present, have fun, enjoy a wonderful learning progress, and precious moment now. And I hope you are ready. Let's start. We'll see you in the training.